Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is the first time that you're seeing this beautiful face, my name is Okogene. You're welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and also turn up your notification bell to become a part of this sewing family. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to draft a basic sleeve. If this is something that you'll be interested in, please keep on watching. Let's go over to the tutorial. What we're needing in today's tutorial, we'll be needing a brown paper or a pattern paper, any color of pattern paper that you have. We'll be needing the measurement. So I've written down the measurement I need. That is your round arm hole, your bicep, for the long sleeve, the 3/4 measurement. That is your shoulder to your elbow measurement. The round needing the shoulder to your elbow measurement, the circumference of it. We'll be needing your shoulder to your wrist, the circumference of it. We'll be needing the length of your short sleeve. So let's go to this tutorial right about now. So the first thing that we are going to take is you're going to fold your pattern paper into two, or you can fold your fabric into two. Now the next measurement you're taking is you're supposed to, let me draw. So you draw a starting line, a straight line. This will be your starting line. So from this point, you will take 4.5 inch and mark. So let me do it here. 4.5 inch and mark. Right? And then the length of the short sleeve I want is 10. So I'll mark it here. Let me take it here, sharp. 4.5 inch, 10. So this is the thing. Your shoulder to you take from the starting line, you take 4.5 down, and then you take the length of the sleeve, which is 10. The next thing you're going to do here is you're going to mark 4 here. You're going to mark 4 inch here, right? Then you come down here to and mark 4 inch, right? So the lines you are going to do here is not a straight line, so you do dotted lines. I hope you can see dotted line. So you take the midpoint of this dotted line, so you place your tape at the beginning, and then you get this is the midpoint of the dotted line. So what you're going to take is you're going to divide your bicep divided by 2. So my bicep divided by 2, and then you add your allowance. I'm adding 1.5, right? So now if you don't have a curve rule, you want to do a freehand method like me, you don't need to draw a straight line immediately, because the shape is, let me flip it, let me turn it. The shape is like the cap. It's not like a direct S, so it's like the S is not direct like this. So from this point, what I do is, from this point I do a dotted line to the edge, and from this point do you understand? So let's measure if this point is the round sleeve. So let's start from here. So this is like 10.5. that's I need 18, right? 18 divided by 2, I need 9. Now I'm having 10.5, which I'm having like an extra allowance. So I'll be doing the short sleeve bicep. The short sleeve bicep is, and I'll be adding the 1.5. So what you do is you connect it like so. You connect it like so, and then now you can now draw it. This is for the short sleeve. Let me tell you what I did again. I drew the starting line, and from the starting line I took the biceps. I took 4.5 inch down, and then the length of the sleeve. So if you want 8, I used 10, and then I took at this line I took the bicep measurement, and I added 1.5 inch. At the downside I took the sleeve, the circumference of the short sleeve, and 1.5 inch. And from this point I took 4 inch in. You can take 4.5 inch in, but then I took 4 inch in, and then I did a dotted line to take other 4 inches, so it will be a straight line. I took the midpoint. The midpoint is this, right, which is actually where the curve will come up. So from here I did a dotted line to curve up, and from here I curve down. And then the thing I did next is my round arm side is 18 divided by 2 is 9. So I measured from this point, and I had excess. I have 10.5, which is like the excess. So what we'll do now is we'll cut it, and then we'll draft the long sleeve. I've already done the started line or the starting line. I've done the starting line. So it's from this line we're going to take the measurement, just like what we did here. So the next thing that we did was to take 4.5 inch. I'll go here again. We take 4.5 inch. From this point, the 3/4 length is 16. So from this point we take 16, so when you take 16, you also rule out. The next measurement you are going to take is the length of the sleeve, which is 27. You also connect the line. So like we did here, we're going to take that same inch that we did for the short sleeve. Remember, we took 4 we came here and we took 4 again. So what we did here is, I didn't draw a straight line, so it's to do dotted lines. And from this dotted line, you get the midpoint. So this is the midpoint of the dotted line. So what you're going to do now is, you're going to do your bicep divided by 2 plus 1.5, like I added here. So now we want to make an irregular S shape to connect it up. So like I did the last time, I didn't do a straight line. What I did is, from this point you want to form a cap, so you do understand dotted lines, and from this point to as we can see, so it's dotted lines. At the 3/4 part, we're going to divide the circumference of the 3/4 length, which is 11. So we're going to still do the same thing, 5.5, and then the 1.5 inch. At the length of the sleeve, we are doing 3.75 plus 1.5 inch. Now we are connecting. So what we are doing next is, we're connecting it like the way I'm doing. So you will do the same thing for this. So now you can now make it brighter. I hope you can see. So what next I'll be doing is, I'll cut it out. So let me label it. This is long sleeve, and this is short sleeve. So if you want to do your 3/4, you can use here, like you can, if it's just one measurement, all you need to do is you fold here into 2. You get, you fold it into 2, and then you cut it out, and then you can use it. And also you can also tape it back. So it depends on what you are making. It depends on what you're making. So we have come to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you're new here, do not forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.